In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy methods to replace pages in a PDF using SwifDoo PDF. First, let's look at how to replace specific pages with pages from another PDF. Download, install, and launch SwifDoo PDF. You'll see all your recent files right here. Click Open to select the PDF file you need to work on. Once the file is open, go to the Page tab on the top menu. You can now see all the pages of your PDF listed in order. Click Replace from the menu bar to get started. A pop-up window will appear. Enter the original page number you want to replace. Now, select the file you want to use for the replacement and specify the target page numbers. Click OK and confirm again to proceed with the replacement. SwifDoo PDF will automatically replace the pages. You can verify the changes right here. Next, let's cover method 2, replacing a page by adding a new one and deleting the old one. Still in the Page tab, locate the page you wish to replace. Click Insert from the menu, then choose from File to select your PDF. In the window, set the file location, page range, and the insertion position as needed. Click Insert to add the new page and click OK to confirm. Finally, select the original unwanted page, click the trash can icon, and confirm to delete it. And that's it. Your pages are now successfully replaced.